Yo, what's going on, everyone? So I bought this four-wheeler ATV quad last week, and I rode it for 20 minutes. It's an LTR450 2007 Suzuki, and I immediately brought it in my garage and started tearing into it. And so I started with the fuel filter over here. And instead of using the one under the tank, most people will do just an inline fuel filter. So that's what I have here. And then that way it's easier to change. You don't have to take the tank off anymore. And then it had original Yoshi slip-on pipe, but it was kind of like beat up, you know, a couple dents. So I went ahead and bought a new one, but the full exhaust, and, you know, just test fitted it. I'm still waiting on a lot of my parts to come back from powder coating. So I just test fitted it. And what I'm doing here is, like, I'm not doing a full rebuild. I'm not going to take the engine out or anything because it still runs really good. But eventually I will pull everything and then just candy red all this, because the whole theme is going to be red and black. So a lot of these parts, like the bumper, the back section, all that's at powder coating right now, getting painted flat black. And then I ordered all black plastic, so it's going to be all black plastics with like red graphics, Suzuki graphics. I'm going to stick with the stock suspension for now. I ordered all new black Nerf bars. What else? I got bead locks on the rear, but you can see the rings, they're at powder coating, they're getting candy red. And then on the front, came with these like shitty wheels, you know, the stock ones with really bad stock tires. Actually, not stock tires, these are ITPs, but they're in real bad shape. They're like dry rotted and stuff. So I ordered some new tires. They came in. So I'm going from a 20-inch tire to a 21-inch. And then the carbon fiber bead locks are on the way, and then I'll have to get them obviously powder coated. But I'm debating whether to powder coat this whole pipe, the whole Yoshi piping up to here, flat black ceramic, or just leaving it as it is and let the heat hit it so you get, like, you know, those purple rings or whatever. And then hitting this with this cover right here with either flat black or candy red. This is what I'm debating on. I'm not fully sure what I want to do. I mean, because I could powder coat this whole pipe if I wanted to. I could make it all flat black. Just, I don't know. I just haven't yet decided. You know, you could do these candy red, these mountings, do the rest of it flat black. I don't know. I think I'm leaning toward just leaving it alone, the piping alone, and then hitting this one candy red, just the cover. Because I like the color of the actual piping. I like the raw material, but I'm not fully set yet. So the only things I've done was like the fuel filter, clean the throttle body, which I need to adjust the TPS. I need to make sure the TPS is adjusted correctly. It has the cherry bomb on it, but we'll see how it runs, you know, when everything's said and done. If it runs good, I'll leave the cherry bomb on. If not, I'm gonna have to get the Dynojet tuning. Let's see, what else can I say? So all new black plastics. I'm talking the front, the gas cover, the rear, the seat. I'm in a black seat cover. I gotta order that still. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just waiting on parts from powder coating, and should be set, good to go. But this is gonna be version 1 of the rebuild. And then, you know, we'll go from there. So stay tuned. I'll make some more videos on it, some update videos. I should have, like, obviously done a video before I tore it down, but I just, you know, I got into it, and next thing I know, the whole quad's almost apart. But that's all I got for you guys today. Please subscribe to the channel. It's just like my personal channel, where I put a bunch of different stuff that I do, because I'm always busy with new things. So this is just a personal channel. But all right, thank you for watching.